In the previous video we talked about what is blockchain technology and how does it work. This video we continue to talk blockchain technology and to talk about general themes. So, how does blockchain technology works? In recent years, you may have noticed that many businesses around the world integrating blockchain technology. But how exactly does blockchain network work? Is this a significant charge or a simple addition? The advancements of blockchain are still young and have the potential to be a revolution in the future. So let's begin demystifying this technology. Blockchain is a simple combination of three leading technologies. First, cryptographic case. Second is a peer-to-peer network containing a shared ledger. And third is a means of computing to store the transaction and records of the networks. Cryptographic case consists of two keys: private key and public key. This case can help in performing successful transactions between two parties. Each individual has 32 keys. This has these two keys which they use to produce a secure digital identity reference. This secured identity is the most important aspect of blockchain technology. In the world of cryptocurrency, this identifier is referred to as digital signature and is used for authorizing and controlling transactions. The digital signature is managed with a peer-to-peer network. A larger number of individuals who act as auditors use the digital signature in order to reach a consensus on transaction among other issues. As they authorize a deal, it is certificated by mathematical verification, which results in a successful secure transaction between the two network connection parties. So to sum up, blockchain users employ cryptographic keys to perform different types of digital interaction over peer-to-peer network. Types of blockchain. There are four different types of blockchain. They are as follows: is private blockchain. Private blockchains operate on closed network and tend to work well for private businesses and organizations. Companies can use private blockchains to customize their accessibility and authorization preferences, parameters to their network, and other important security options. Unless the authority manages a private blockchain network, also is public blockchain network. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies originated from public blockchains, which also played a role in popularizing distributed ledger technology, DLT. Public blockchain also helped to eliminate certain challenges and issues such as security flaws and centralization, with DLT data is distributed across peer-to-peer network rather than being stored in a single location. A consensus algorithm is used for verifying information automatically. Proof of proof stake, POS, and proof of proof work, POW, are two frequently used consensus methods. Permissioned blockchain network, also sometimes known as a hybrid blockchains. Permissioned blockchain networks are private blockchains that allow special access for authorized individuals. Organizations typically set up these types of blockchains to get the best of both worlds, and it enables better structure when assigning who can participate in the network and it what transaction. Consortium Blockchain, similar to permissioned blockchains. Consortium Blockchain have both public and private components, except multiple organizations manage a single consortium blockchain network. Although these types of blockchain can initially be more complex to set up, once they are running, they can offer better security. Additionally, a consortium blockchain are optimal for collaboration with multiple organizations. The process of transaction. One of blockchain technology's cardinal features is a way to confirm and authorize a transaction. For example, if two individuals wish to perform a transaction with a private and public key, respectively, the person party would attach the transaction information to the public key of a second party. This total information is gathered together into a block. This block contains a digital signature, timestamp, and other important relevant information. It should be noted that the block doesn't include the identities of the individuals involved in the transaction, and the block is then transmitted across all the network's nodes. And when the right individual use his private key and matches it with the block, the transaction gets completed successfully. In addition, the conductions financial transaction, the blockchain can also hold transaction details of properties, vehicles, etc. There is a use case that illustrates how blockchain works. Hash encryptions. Blockchain technology uses hashing and encryptions to secure data, relying mainly on the different algorithms to secure the information. The address of the sender, public key, the receiver's address, transaction, and her private key details are transmitted via the different algorithm. The encrypted information called hash encryption is transmitted across the world and added to the blockchain after verification. The HA256 algorithm make it almost impossible to hack the hash encryption, which in turn displays sender and receiver's authentication. In next series, we will talk about proof of work, blockchain, blockchains, also mining, history of blockchain, advantages, disadvantages. But for today, it's all. Thank you for watching. See you in next videos.